Alright, welcome back to Average Flatlander. We're gonna make a fire today. I'm walking down to the site and I'm out here by the river. Super excited to be outside on a very chilly day. It's about 33 degrees. So I'm definitely excited to make my fire. I just wanna make some actual coffee. I got this from the gas station, but it's just not the same as real coffee. It's good, but it's pretty much just 90% sugar. So gotta get out here, gonna make a fire and get warm and show you how I do it with the firebox. So gonna get at it. One of the things that I'm always doing when I'm walking into a site, wherever I'm gonna have my adventure, I will always look for my tinder as I go, because you don't know what's gonna be there when you get to the actual site. So this grass right now is really dry, and it's perfect for making the tinder bundle that I want to make. So I'm actually just gonna start grabbing some of that. This is always the first step if I can find it, because I like this dry grass. It really bundles up and shreds up well, and those fibers break down and they set on fire really easily. This nice sheet of bark. I'm just so excited for this. This makes really good quick coals that burn for a long time. That's money right there. Those coals are really important in getting a good base for your fire. So because this converts to coals, you know, it burns kind of long and slow, but it just turns into those coals really quick. It's good stuff for sure. I like it when I'm trying to build my fire, because you know, it's just like when you're building with Legos or something. Yeah, I know, what am I too? You need the right pieces for the job, and if you get a hold of bark, that's definitely one of the right pieces. There's a huge buck over there. Huge. I don't know if you can see him through the woods there. He's looking at me. Holy cow. He's massive. I just want to come around the corner here and see if I can see him. He's like right over there. Wow, this is a good day. He's not afraid of me at all. Wonder if I can zoom. I'm just gonna... Oh, there he goes. I guess you just never know what you're gonna see out in the woods. I've got my twigs in there. I've got my little stuff. My little bundle is ready to go. It's not a very tight woven bundle, but I'm not really feeling too picky about it right now. So we're gonna get this thing going. It really does not matter if your ferrous ending rod gets wet. It's still going to function. Today it's going to take 2. Usually just takes 1. All right, now it's time to play with fire. If you hold the ferrocenium rod up to what it is you want, then put your knife down, bearing down on the ferrocenium rod, and then you pull on the ferrocenium rod instead of shaving the knife down on it. So you want to pull it like this. And that's just going to direct the sparks better. So see, second pull right there. That's all it took. That's why, I mean, they call these things like forever matches. They just last a really long time. So I've got my spark now. Just wave it around a little bit, get her going. Looking good. I'm going to drop it into my bundle. Just kind of close her around. Already smoking pretty good. When you see flames start to catch, you want to flip that bundle over so that the flames burn up the rest of the stuff. Try not to set yourself on fire, of course. That's always a good thing. You start adding your sticks. Wind is pretty much doing all the hard work for me now. Good stuff. We're really going now. Good stuff. We're really going now. I've added a lot of little stuff so I can get coals quicker. When a lot of coals really fast, just keep adding little stuff. Skip the bigs. You can really see the fire starting to build now. Oh yes. Oh yes. Alright, now that I've burned through all the little stuff that I wanted for my coals, I've added a few big ones so that it will keep the fire going. I've added just enough because I don't need this to be a long fire. I just need some coffee. That's important. So I've added just enough big sticks that'll keep it going. About half a cup will do it for me. Now it's time to make a little bed of coals. The way you do that is you just push this guy over like this. You got a nice little triangle. You get those guys to hug the back. Just start pulling up some of them coals. Oh, those coals are nice. Look at that. That's the product right there. All right, we're going to go ahead and get this on. And that's going to start to boiling. Get some coffee in that, and go ahead and sterilize that spoon. I don't want Giardia. Alright, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time.